Hello, everybody. My name is Truman. I'm one of the admin at the Cheat Code Academy. Today, I will be showing you the new features of Cheat Code Algo V4, the newest, latest, greatest version of Cheat Code Algo. All right, let's dive into it. By default, after you set up your chart, this is what you will see. Cheat Code Algo V4, top left, CCA squeeze, and CC swing. All right. Right now, what we're looking at is the SPY chart, the S&P 500 ETF. All right. If you have been with us for a while now, since V1, V2, and V3, we know that we are using the 4x4 confirmation. What does that mean? Let's use this example right here. All right. The 4x4 confirmation. All right. The first confirmation is that we get a buy signal. Okay. Second, you get the trend going up, a positive diagonal trend. So you get the CCA squeeze, okay, from red, very red to off red. That's mean that now the trend's going up, and lastly you get the CC swing, okay, switching from red to green. All right. So the 4x4 confirmation, okay, combine of buy signal, all right, trend, CCA squeeze going up, and CC swing turn from red to green. All right. As you can see, this particular trade, all right, signal buy is right here. All four complete confirmation is enter right here, and you can write that, all the way. So in basic, this is what the 4x4 confirmation look like. All right. If you have not been with us and you don't know what cheat algo is what you see right here. It is a proprietary algorithm that will calculate, that will find you the best entry, will find you the best exit, will maximize your profit, all right, at the same time. And with this 4x4 confirmation rule, you will be able to capitalize on the trend. You will be able to capitalize on the movement of the market. Okay. The cheat code algo works on stocks, ETF, cryptocurrency, futures. Anything with a chart that is hosted on TradingView, this is the platform that we're using, can be used. Cheat code can be used with any of those particular options, right? It can also be used for Forex as well, okay? All right, if you have been with us, I just show you the 4x4 confirmation, what you already used to, right? But in the V4, it is very, very sophisticated, right? There are a lot of new features, right? As we all know, not all traders going to use the same style, the same methodology. So with that in mind, V4 was created to fit all type of traders, swing traders, day traders, right? Does not matter what type of traders you are, V4 were created for everybody, okay? So if we hover over to cheat code algo V4, click on the settings, all right? Here's all the new features, okay? I'm gonna run through it one by one, all right? Start off fresh, just like nobody ever know what cheat code is before, all right? By default, this is what your chart would look like. Okay, your chart would contain a buy signal, a sell signal, the trend indicator, red or green. All right, you will get the CCA squeeze and the CC swing. Okay, let's dive deep into this particular options right here. All right, what you have here is the buy signal. All right, what you see here is the trade management, the trade manager. All right. So at this particular example, the SPY right now is in a sell zone. All right. You have the stop loss. That's what SL stands for. You have the entry. You have the TP, take profit level 1, take profit level 2, take profit level 3, and TP4. All right. These are built for any level of traders, especially for the beginners traders. right? We build for you the buy signal, the trend, okay, the momentum, all right? So it can help you with your trades. Additionally, you will see in this chart, you see the yellow candle, okay? The yellow candle indicate that this particular trend is coming to a slowdown or it is looking to reverse, okay? As you can see, this green trend is coming up. You get the first yellow candle. It's telling you that that trend is slowing down. You can do two things. One, you can exit your position, okay, and take your profit, or two, you can wait out for it. But this yellow candle is fairly accurate. And as you can see, if you just wait a couple more days, you get another yellow candle. And then we have this big sell-off that happened this past week or two, okay? And now you see that there's a yellow candle again. That means that this particular red trend is probably coming to an end, okay? And then that we may see another reversal coming, okay? Additionally, you see this indicator, this green indicator. That means that is another confirmation for you that this trend is about to reverse. Whenever you see a green indicator, that means that a positive trend is coming. All right. Another thing that is good to point out is this red dot. You get a red dot and you get a green dot. Okay. A red dot is telling you the same thing, that this particular momentum, this particular trend is coming to a halt very soon. That time very soon. Okay. And as you can see, the market has been dropping this past 2 weeks. Okay. So out of the box, this is what you will have. Okay. All right. Let's dive deep into one setting. So hover over cheat code V4. Go over the settings. Okay. Now, as mentioned, previously mentioned, we built this for all type of traders. Okay, we give you the control this time. All right. So at the very top, you can see cloud style. If you don't like that, you don't need to put it on. You can change it to line, so that cloud is now gone. You can change it to both, or you can change it to none. Right. If you get distracted by that, you don't need the trend. That's fine. That's up to you. You can exclude them. All right. I like mine with that background. Okay. Next up, the barcode. This is a little bit different, right? You can go just change the color. You can go that, and may or none, right? So really up to you, giving you all the control. Next up, the sensitivity. You can change from low, medium to high. If you change the low, all right, that means the signal is less. It is low, all right? You can change to medium. You get more signal. And if you change to high, you get even more signal. Right? So we really giving you all of the control with this version. Okay. Now I like mine in the middle. Okay. I'm not too greedy. I'm not too safe. So let's stick to the middle. Leave it there for now. Okay. Now the yellow candles that I just previously showed, that's called the caution candle. Okay. The caution ball. If you don't like that, you can unclick it. Okay. But I like to have mine off. It really helped me to see when that trend is about to reverse. Then you have the buy and sell signal. You don't want it, you can unclick it, right? So really up to you. Then you have the indicator, that green arrow up, right? The red arrow down that I showed previously, okay? That's called a indicator. If you don't want that, you can turn it off. We're really giving you what you want to do. All right. Next up, you get the Bollinger Band, okay? This is calculated a little bit differently than a normal Bollinger Band, okay? Normal set of Bollinger Bands. So if you want it on, click it. Bollinger Bands on, precision on, log scales fixed is on, okay? Now let's see what this looks like. All right, it works the same way as the normal Bollinger Band, okay? It's deviate from the moving average, as you know what a Bollinger Band is, all right? The yellow, it's at a caution level. Red, as you know, it is overbought. Green is oversold, right? And if you're using a Bollinger Band, you like to find the squeeze, right? So you know, work the same way as any other Bollinger Band. It's just a little bit different in calculation. Okay. Next up, you get, let's turn that off. Okay. Next up, you get the cloud type. If you like any trading cloud style, okay, this is for you right here. Turn on the cloud type. Okay, by default, it's set to EMA. You get the upper cloud, you get the lower cloud. All right. The way this works is when price move on the upper cloud, you can find complex support within this upper cloud. As you can see, price does not break. Price is, playing around with the upper cloud. Okay, never break down below the cloud. Once it breaks down at this level right here, you get a sell signal at this level. That price bounds off the lower cloud, which is your second level of support after the upper cloud. Okay, so bounce it off, come back, ride it back up again. Okay, and then break the upper cloud, come all the way down to the lower level of the lower cloud. Okay, then it's riding it, holding back up. All right, so if you like trading using moving average, using the cloud system, all right, we have that for you as well. Okay, additionally, let's say you don't like EMA, let's say you don't like SMA, we have a plethora of other moving average that you can select to calculate these different type of clouds. I myself like the VWMA, okay? So I use that a lot. VWMA, I just find that personally, I like it more, right? Different traders have different type of strategies, okay? So that is on the cloud, okay? Next up, you have the cheat candle, all right? I'm a swing trader, so the cheat candle is one of my favorite of all time, okay? This is the one of the new edition. It was in an old edition, but we bring this back. Okay? To show you how the cheat candle work, I have to turn on the reversal band. This is a combination that I like to use, all right? We have the cheat candle, okay? I'm gonna turn on reversal band, so unclick that, okay? To unhide it, okay? All right, let's take off the trade manager for now, okay, cool, there you go. What you see here is a cheat candle, right? It looks better than normal candle, okay? Right now, think of it as more of a high Kanashi candle. It works similar like a high Kanashi type of candle, right? It's a different calculation, right? Additionally, you also have the reversal band, okay? Reversal band will show you overbought, oversold level. Yellow is overbought, blue is oversold, right? If you get to the red level, that's very, very overbought, and most likely it will come down. If you get to the green level, that's very, very oversold, and most likely it'll bounce back up, right? To show you an example, let's go to Tesla, right? Tesla reached a very oversold level, as you can see here, right? So let's use this example right now, okay? This particular example right here, right? Let's see. Price is decreasing on a daily chart. Price is decreasing. Okay, you get the first indicator signaling you that this trend is slowing down or it is coming to an end. All right, but then price keep rejecting and dive back down. Okay, it died to that lower level of the reversal band. Okay, it hit the first level and it get an indicator. All right, so that would be our first entry point. Okay, possible entry point indicator. Boom, you get an indicator. All right, what's the second thing you see? All right, the next thing, price is reversing to green. All right, using the cheat candle. The cheat candle follow a little bit different rule. Okay, I'm going to zoom in here to explain how the cheat candle works. All right, cheat candle always start with small, get to big, and then get to small again. It's showing you the momentum behind that movement. Okay, so it's reversing from green and switching to reversing from red, switching to green. That means that the selling momentum is decreasing and it's switching back to the buying momentum. Okay, as you can see, big red, small green. Okay, and this green candle is increasing. And then we hit another level of green right here. Right, and there's no wick below it. That means right now it's full steam. It's full steam going up, right? Reversing at this particular point. and then the candle gets small. That's telling you that the trend, this green trend, coming to an end. So that's telling you that this particular uptrend is coming to an end. Okay, so it's getting from small to big and coming back to small again. All right. So why do I like this as a swing trader? All right. First, one, the indicator telling you that the trend is about to reverse, right? I'm a reversal swing trader. Okay, so seeing that there's a reversal sign here, right? Second, another reversal sign that from red to green, okay? And then the next candle is confirming even more, okay, that it is now on an uptrend, reversing, okay, from a downtrend to an uptrend, all right? The third indicator at this particular point is the CCA squeeze, right? It's turning from red. If the closest thing to a CCA squeeze is a TTM squeeze, right? So it is turning from bright red to a dull red, okay? A hinted red, okay? So, and also additionally, you get this green dot telling you that this trend is about to reverse, okay? So you get another confirmation with the CCA squeeze, you get another confirmation with that green dot telling you that this is about to go green, okay? Additionally, you get the CC swing down here. Imagine the CC swing is like a ribbon. One side's red, one side green, all right? When the side is switching flat, if you're looking at flat, like this particular point right here, you won't really see both either red or green, right? You just see a fine line. That's mean that it's about to reverse, right? From red to green. As you can see, it switched to green right here, all right? So now you get all this confirmation, giving you more confidence in your trade, all right? That this particular reversal, okay, is a good reversal, right? Another example here, okay, reversal. Okay, we can play it up and we can play it down, okay? So let me erase my drawing. Let's play this reversal right here, all right? You can see that it's going green and it's coming small, all right? Then you get a first small red candle, a doji looking candle. And then you get another candle, which is also red, okay? So now it's giving you some confidence that, oh, maybe this particular trend is going back to red, okay? And you can confirm that. One is up here. Two, the CCA squeeze, all right? It's getting duller, then it's getting more red, okay? That's another confirmation. And then the CC swing switch from green to red, right? So you can play both ways with the cheat code algo, both up and down, and you will be profit either way, all right? So that is with Tesla, okay? Let's switch back. Okay, we can stay with Tesla. Let's go to settings again. So I show you the indicator. I show you the reversal band, right? Let's turn that off for now. Okay, back to the normal setting. Okay, let's turn off the cheat candle for now. Back to the normal candle. All right. Okay. And then if you like multi-time frame trading, this is also, you can also do that as well. All right. You can show lower cloud. All right. And you can show higher cloud. All right. So if you like multi-level time frame and confirmation, you can add that to your chart as well. Okay. The next thing is the fifth level. All right. This is if you're a beginner, right, and you don't know how to draw fifth level, this is for you right here. Right. Show level. Boom. Automatic fifth level. Okay. And with this fifth level, you can adjust. Okay. You can adjust high, low, open, close. Right. You can adjust the frame size. You can adjust the multiply. I just advise you right now just to use the normal, the default version that it comes with, all right? So how does the fib work? As you know, if you are intermediate or an expert level, or even new people, right? The fib level will show you resistance, will show you support, all right? And what's great about this fib level is that you keep going. If one is break, there will be an automatic fib level again for you. Okay, so on the daily on Tesla, right? Look like, you know, look at this. Price go up, hit that level, 882 level, bouncing around that level, all right? Then hover over the 809, broke it through to 691, bouncing around to find the other fib level 607. All right, then it's bounced up to find 691. Okay, keep bouncing within this range. Broke up to 750, broke back down to 691. Okay, now it just broke to 607. It looks like it's holding strong at this particular level. Okay, next level is 500. Okay, so that's how the fib level work, and it is automatic for any new traders. Okay, so you don't have to go in here and draw it yourself, right? Retracement, extension, you know, which way going up, which way going down. You make it very easy for you. All right, go to settings, just turn it off. All right, and lastly, the show trade management. All right, this is built toward particularly new traders. Okay, we over here we're very friendly with new traders. All right, you get the entry point. You know, I teach classes and I get this question all the time: when to enter position, when to exit out position. Well, you know what? This is for you right here. You get the entry point. Okay, it's calculate the best entry point for you. All right, it's calculate your stop loss. It's also calculate your take profit level as well. Right now, it's sitting at around TP2, right? All right, what if I tell you this is configurable, right? Right now, my risk level is at low. You can increase it to medium, right? So as you can see, sit right on that TP1, okay? You can also use this TP level as a fib level as well, as a support and resistance as well, okay? Right now it's sitting right at TP1. That right there is a support, all right? If it breaks, it's looking for TP2, right? It could be that it's bouncing off and reverse from TP1, okay? So yeah, it's very configurable and it is built just for you, okay? Next up, you can change up to high if you want to, all right? So low, medium, high, all right? Let's just keep it to the medium level if you're gonna use it, okay? Boom, right there. All right, I just briefly went over all the feature in the new cheat code algo, all right? I just want to keep this video short. All right. So I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email us at info@cheatalgo.com or shoot us a message on Discord or on Instagram, any one of those. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.